Looking for the perfect miter saw but don't know where to start? Stick around, we're ranking the top 5 miter saws from worst to best so you don't waste a dime. Let's kick things off with the Greenworks cordless saw. It's the most portable option on our list, but also the least powerful. This saw is great for light-duty jobs and quick cuts on the go, but if you need heavy cutting performance, this one won't cut it, literally. Now, what's cool here is the brushless motor that spins up to 4,800 RPM. It's snappy and efficient for its size. The built-in LED cut line and work light help with visibility, especially when you're working outdoors or in a dim garage. Plus, not being tethered to a power cord gives you total freedom to move around. But here's the catch. You're working with a small 7 1/4 inch blade, which seriously limits what you can cut. There's no dual bevel either, just left tilt, so if you need to make complex angles or thick crosscuts, this isn't your tool. And Greenworks doesn't publish full cut capacity specs, which raises some questions. So who's this for? It's a solid pick if you're doing smaller trim work, mobile repairs, or DIY projects around the house. Just don't expect pro-level performance here. And hey, if you're interested, we've dropped links to all the miter saws in this review at the best prices in the description below. Next up is the SKIL, a major step up from Greenworks. It brings more power, a bigger blade, and serious cutting ability, especially for its price. If the Greenworks is a hatchback, this one's a full sedan. What makes the SKIL impressive is its smooth dual bevel system, allowing bevel cuts both left and right. It's got a powerful 15 amp motor with a max speed of 4,800 RPM, meaning it handles tough materials with ease. The LED shadow line helps line up cuts without needing calibration, and the slide rails are nice and smooth. However, it's not perfect. The dust collection is subpar, and the depth lock system feels clunky if you're adjusting it a lot. And while 10 inches is a good step up, it still can't match the cutting range of 12-inch saws. You'll also need a decent amount of rear space due to the slide system. It's a great value for homeowners, DIYers, or even contractors who need a secondary saw. If you're liking this breakdown so far, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got plenty more tools coming your way. Now we're getting into serious territory with the DEWALT 779. This saw is heavy duty, reliable, and built for bigger jobs. It's a true workhorse, and that 12-inch blade means business. The cutting capacity here is awesome. It'll handle 2 by 14 inches at 90 degrees and 7.5-inch crown molding nested. The sliding rails are rock solid, and the motor doesn't flinch under pressure. You also get a smooth bevel system and a cam lock miter handle for precision. But, and this is a big one, it doesn't come with any sort of LED or laser guide, which puts it behind others in the same price range. Dust collection is decent but not amazing, and the rear rails prevent it from sitting flush against a wall. Also, some older models were part of a recall due to a guard issue. Worth checking the date code if you're buying used. Still, for power and precision at this price, it's one of the best values out there. Great for framing, trim work, or if you just want a solid all-around shop saw. Climbing higher on our list is the DEWALT 780. Think of it as the 779's smarter, better equipped sibling. It's got all the muscle of the 779, but throws in some killer upgrades that pros love. The big standout here is the XPS shadow line guide. Unlike lasers, this system uses an LED to cast a blade shadow right where you'll cut. No calibration, no fuss. Everything about this saw feels premium, from the precision machined fences to the stainless steel miter detents it's built to perform. On the downside, it still uses rear slide rails, so you'll need a fair bit of workspace behind it. And the dust bag. Pretty small. You'll want a shop vac hooked up if you're doing lots of cuts indoors. If you're a serious DIYer or a contractor who wants precision and speed without stepping into the ultra premium price bracket, this is a sweet spot. You're getting pro-level results with minimal fuss. And at the top of the mountain, we've got the Makita. This saw is a beast, and not just because of its 65-pound weight. It delivers the most refined performance of any miter saw on this list, and once you use it, you'll understand why. Everything about this saw screams quality. The dual bevel system is silky smooth, the rail design saves space, and the soft start direct drive motor keeps things controlled. Its cutting capacity is massive, up to 15 inches wide, and it handles crown and base molding like a champ. The built-in laser is ultra precise with micro adjustments for pinpoint accuracy. What's the trade-off? Well, it's heavy. Really heavy, and it's definitely one of the more expensive saws out there. But for serious woodworkers or contractors who cut all day long, the investment is worth every penny. This is the saw that pros bring to the job site or keep in their workshop because they know it'll perform every single time. It's our #1 pick for a reason. If you're ready to upgrade your miter saw game, check out the top-rated picks using the links in the description below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more hands-on tool reviews.